When we kind of go into the question, the very first thing we want to do is we want to summarize and organize our important data. Okay, so even if you have no idea how to solve it, the best thing we can do is we try to apply the formula. Everyone, today we're gonna go to this question, which is in paper 1, which is non-count paper of 2024. And then the topic is about sequence series. Okay? When we kind of go into the question, the very first thing we want to do is we want to summarize and organize our important data. Okay? So once we finish reading and then underline the important term, let's say we're gonna write up into a math notation first. So even if you have no idea how to solve it, the best thing we can do is we try to apply the formula. You can see that all the equations we want to apply here should be in terms of U1 and D. First one, UN is equal to U1 plus N minus 1 times D. Let's see how we can apply to this formula. We already convert our information into two equations, and then these two equations are already in terms of U1 and D. In order to keep going to solving deeper this one, we want to expand it further. So on this step, we already have our equation 2 U1 plus 6D equal to 6. The second one gonna be 2U1 plus 16D is equal to 24. I'm gonna simplify the second equation by dividing everything by 2. So the second equation gonna turn into U1 plus 8D is equal to 12. Alright? And combined with the previous equation, I can subtract these two. The U1 gonna be eliminated, and then we're gonna have D is equal to 3. Once we got D, I can just plug into any of those equations to find U1. So U1 is equal to negative 12. So this is the problem method where again we want to apply the formula into U7, U6 and U12 by converting the whole equation with respect to U1 and D. Then you're gonna solve a simultaneous equation with U1 and D. Okay? Many of you can ask me like, then is there any other way to solve this one faster? Then for this question, yes, we do have an easier way to do it, a faster way to do it.